This is a brand new 2014 Dodge Charger. It has a 5.7-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, keyless ignition, voice activation technology, a speed-sensitive volume control system, a low tire pressure indicator, the Uconnect infotainment system, a premium audio system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a sport-tuned suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front and rear floor mats, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, steering wheel mounted controls, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.